Good morning everyone. I am Utkal Joshi, student of class 10th. So today we are gathered here to speak on some few points on the why is English spoken is important for us. Now there are our teammates that Gautam Ramta and Kajal Chaudhary.
So hello everyone. As we know that nowadays our school conduct many kind of activities like speech, debate. So I am thankful for my class teacher Mr. Kuwar Singh Mehra who started to conduct this activity, and I am also thankful for Principal Sir who gave the permission for this.
Yeah, I am also thankful of my class teacher Mr. Kunal Mehra sir who gave me this wonderful opportunity to speak about on this topic, importance of English in our life, and I am also thankful of Principal sir because he gave the permission of our class teacher to conduct this type of activity.
So if we can't speak English, our life is worse, because nowadays in modern generation English is very common language. When we use English during to speak, it shows us very attractive and educated person.
As we know that English is not our mother tongue, but the English is the bridge that connects the cultures and backgrounds of the many peoples. I have a story that one day a boy named Rohan gone to a luxury hotel with his father. There a waiter comes and asks to him, "Yes sir, what would you like to take?" But Rohan know English, but he can't speak because he felt accomplished and take the answer. After he feel guilty that he did not give an answer, and other people who are sitting on the other tables are speaking fluently English. After that, Rohan decided that he did not learn English for marks. He learned English for his better future and better life.
If we do not get any job but we have the deep knowledge of English grammar, so we can become the English teacher in the school, and we can also open the YouTube channel where we can teach the English grammar, and we give the suggestion to the people that how can we remove our hesitation during to speak English.
Yeah, in today's generation, English is very important for us. Like when we went to the office, we saw that every person and every employee is speaking English very frequently. But when my father went to his office, he is a lack of speaking English, but he also know how to speak English, but he has still confused to choose of vocabulary. So we also have the knowledge of vocabulary.
Yeah, it is the problem of every people, because they are know how can we speak English, but they are not using English during to speak.
In our school, many kinds of activities are going on by our mentor, Mr. Kumar Sir, who is organizing many activities of English spoken. Many students come on the schools and come on the activity and take a part on activity and get the good marks and learn how to speak English spoken fluently. Some students face lot of trouble, but after now they are speaking the best on the munch and the stage also. Now, at last, we all thanks to our sir who gave us wonderful opportunity to speak here.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you everyone. You should always should take part in this type of activity, and you are taking interest in this type of activity. So I want to say that you all students can speak just like all the pupils who are standing in backside of me. You all should speak in English at your school, at your home also too. Thank you.